Behind every transaction lies a masterpiece of engineering. Welcome to the world's most secure manufacturing process. It begins not with paper, but with a unique blend of cotton and linen fibers, designed for legendary durability. Security is woven into the very fabric of the note, featuring the advanced 3D blue ribbon.
Layer by layer, complex gradients of high durability ink create the foundation of the note's design.
Intaglio printing. 60 tons of pressure creates the distinct, raised texture that defines authentic currency. Every sheet is tracked. Every cent is accounted for. The transition from paper to value is almost complete.
Precision in every digit. Each note is assigned a unique identity through high-speed letterpress numbering. Metallic gold pigments are applied, adding a final layer of both beauty and counterfeit resistance.
In the final cut, a sheet of paper is transformed into thousands of individual instruments of value.
Every note is scrutinized by artificial intelligence, ensuring that only perfection enters the global economy. From raw fiber to a $100,000 brick, the transformation is complete. Next, the vault.
Beyond what the eye can see, magnetic signatures provide an invisible layer of global trust.
Mathematical uniqueness is stamped into every note, linking it to the Federal Reserve's global ledger.
Die Organs कहलाती है। Du sollst die Rings que Supply fest mit Dömes Rings Garden hier ist Schuld
The sheets are moved into the final trimming area, where the edges are trimmed to the exact fractional millimeter.
Science and security converge. Every note is a testament to the highest standards of chemical engineering.
At the speed of light, every feature is cross-referenced against the master blueprint. Perfection is the only option.
Secured and sealed, the world's most trusted asset begins its journey into the hands of billions. Mastered by science, protected by technology, and trusted by the world. This is the art of the 100.